GY Learning proudly presents HSK tutorial videos catering to learners at every stage. Subscribe to our channel and join EY Learning on a joyful and rewarding journey of learning Mandarin. HSK. The Chinese Proficiency Test, abbreviated as HSK, is an international standardized test of Chinese language proficiency established for non-native speakers of Chinese, including foreigners, overseas Chinese, Chinese descendants, and ethnic minorities in China. Level 6 is the highest level of the new Chinese Proficiency Test HSK. Candidates who pass the HSK Level 6 can easily understand Chinese information they hear or read and express their views fluently in Chinese, either orally or in writing.
汉语水平考试，简称 HSK， 为测试母语非汉语者，包括外国人、华侨、华裔和中国少数民族考生的汉语水平而设立的一项国际汉语能力标准化考试。6级是新汉语水平考试 HSK 的最高等级。通过 HSK 6级的考生可以轻松地理解听到或读到的汉语信息，以口头或书面的形式用汉语流利地表达自己的见解。
HSK 1 Lesson 1
你好
Hello. New words.
你
呢以你
Singular you.
好
和袄好
Good, fine. Text 1.
你好
Hello.
你好
Hello.
你好
你好
New words.
您
呢银您
Polite you.
你们
你们
Plural you. Text 2.
您好
Hello.
你们好
Hi.
您好
你们好
New words.
对不起
对不起
To be sorry.
没关系
没关系
That's okay. It doesn't matter. Text 3.
对不起 I'm sorry.
没关系
That's okay.
对不起
没关系
Pinyin.
声母1
Initials 1.
波坡摸佛的特呢了 歌科喝鸡七西
韵母一
Finals 1.
一乌吁啊呀哇哦喔耶约哀歪 a 微凹腰
Tones. There are 4 basic tones in Chinese, respectively called the first tone 5 to 5, the second tone 3 to 5, the third tone to 1-4, and the fourth tone 5 to 1. They make differences in meaning. The first tone.
妈
The second tone.
麻
The third tone.
马
The fourth tone.
骂
Read the syllables aloud and pay attention to the tones.
啊啊啊啊哦哦哦哦鹅一以乙义乌无五物吁鱼雨玉
Syllables. A Chinese syllable is usually made up of an initial, a final, and a tone, generally speaking. One Chinese character corresponds to one syllable. A Chinese syllable can have no initial, but must have a final and a tone.
Mau.
Cat.
摸凹猫鱼
Fish.
鱼鱼
鸡爷姐
Elder sister.
鸡耶姐二
Two.
二
Note. When
一
or
鱼
acts as a syllable by itself,
一
is added before it, with the 2 dots on the top of
鱼
being removed. When
乌
acts as a syllable by itself,
乌
is added before it, Look at the pictures and read the monosyllabic words aloud.
"一、五、鱼、耳、笔、猫、岛、花、鸡、七、鞋、雪。
Look at the pictures and read the dissyllabic words aloud.
咖啡、可乐、烤鸭、火锅、地图、飞机、毛笔、耳机。
Tone Sandy, third tone plus third tone. When to third tone syllables are read in sequence, the first syllable turns into the second tone, idea state. The 3-3 sequence becomes a 2 plus 3-1. For example,
你
plus
好，
is read.
你好，
However, when put in the written form, the original tone is kept.
你好，你好，
可以
可以
辅导
辅导。
Read the following words aloud and pay attention to the changes in the tone of the third tone syllables.
你好，可以辅导，小姐，口语，语法，法语，讨好，了解，友好，雨伞，手表。
Classroom expressions.
上课，
诗昂上，科厄克，
Class begins.
下课，
西伊阿下，科厄克，
Class is over.
现在休息。
西燕县，兹爱在。 西优修，西一西，
Take a break now.
看黑板，
柯暗看，呵 a 黑，波俺板，
Look at the blackboard.
跟我读，
歌恩根，乌我，的无读，
Read after me.
上课，下课，现在休息，看黑板，跟我读，
Strokes.
横
Horizontal.
一
1,
二
2.
竖
Vertical.
10
10.
弓
Work labor.
撇
Left falling.
人
Human.
8
8.
点
Dot.
不，
No, not.
6
6.
那
Right falling.
大
Big.
天
Sky. Single component characters.
一
Is one of the basic strokes of Chinese characters. The single component character
一
means 1.
二
Means 2.
三
Means 3.
十
Means 10.
八
Means 8.
六
Means 6.